Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kim, your go-to for all things locks, microlocs, and salon life. Today, I'm bringing you along for a microloc retie session that I filmed right in my home studio. Now, I'll be honest, this isn't some glamorous backdrop you'll see from the big YouTubers, but you know what? It's real, and that's what matters. This client is actually super special because I started her microloc journey myself. Watching her growth and seeing her locks flourish has been incredible. So let's jump right in, starting with some good old scalp TLC. For those clients that may have dry scalp, seborrheic dermatitis, or dandruff or anything of that nature, I always try to show some love to the scalp first. Here I'm applying a pre-shampoo treatment to really soften up any buildup and prep her hair for deep cleanse. So sometimes I do a scalp massage to get the product in, and who doesn't love a good scalp massage? It's not just for relaxation, it also helps stimulate blood flow to encourage healthy hair growth. Plus, it's the perfect way to show your scalp a little extra love before we get into the nitty-gritty of the retie. Now let's talk shampoo. I'm using the last of my Design Essentials Oatmeal Henna shampoo, and let me tell you, I make sure not to waste a drop. If you know how precious every bit of product can be when it's running low. After that, I followed up with Design Essentials Peppermint Aloe shampoo to finish off the cleanse. I love this combo because it not only clarifies, but also leaves the scalp feeling super refreshed. The peppermint gives that tingly, clean feeling, so good. And yes, my shampoo bowl, straight from Amazon. It's nothing fancy, but it gets the job done, and that's all that matters when you're focused on healthy hair care. After that good shampoo, I popped her under my dryer, also an Amazon find. And listen, if you're working from home or setting up a small studio, don't sleep on Amazon for affordable salon tools that work. Drying is super important here because retightening damp hair can cause unnecessary tension and even breakage. So we made sure her locks were nice and dry before getting into the real work. Now let's get into this retie. If you're just starting your microloc journey or thinking about it, this is the part you're here for. The first thing I do is section the hair in 2 halves. I figured out that working this way makes me way faster, and who doesn't want to save time without compromising quality? As I go through each section, I make sure not to retighten the locks too tight. Tight reties can lead to scalp irritation or even thinning, and we don't want that. Healthy locks are all about balance, secure but never strained. This process takes patience, but I actually find it super calming. It's like hair therapy, one lock at a time, bringing everything back to order and watching the growth journey unfold. And voila, look at those fresh, neat locks. I love seeing that transformation. There's something so satisfying about seeing every section retightened, fresh and clean. It's also such a proud moment for me, being able to start someone on their microloc journey and then continue to maintain their locks. What a whole vibe. It's about building trust and celebrating every stage of growth. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, are you thinking about starting your microloc journey? Or maybe you're a stylist working on perfecting your retie technique? Let's chat below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll dive deeper into all things lock hair salon life and balancing it as a full-time mom and business owner. Until next time, stay blessed and locked in.